This is indeed a very great news. The remaining pupils of St. Mary Catholic Church, Niger, that were abducted on November 21st, 2025, have been released to their governor. In fact, I don't know how their parents will be feeling now, but I know they will be feeling so glad. After one full month of abduction, now their children are returned back to them. Imagine those little kids. This is the first time that we hear of abduction that involves even nursery puppy. Look at the ages of those puppies that we saw there. Very young kids. What were they even thinking? Anyway, we are just grateful to God that these children are back home to their parents and they will be spending the Christmas and the holiday to together with their families. It